Hey folks, a few months ago, I sent out a video about the roughly 60,000 homes that got listed last year that didn't sell. But where did they all go? Well, some of those homeowners are still living in their home, or possibly even had to move back in. But many of them are about to hit the market again. The looming question is, will buyer demand bounce back this spring to account for this influx of listings? Well, many folks are saying that the lack of affordability in our market is the big holdup with buyer demand. So what do the affordability stats have to say about all this? Surprisingly, I pulled up the affordability index, and as of the end of 2024, we weren't really in a bad spot as far as affordability is concerned. See, the affordability index measures how well a family in the US with the median income can qualify for the mortgage payment of a median-priced home based on the median interest rate at the time. A score of 100 means that the median income family is able to qualify for the mortgage payment on a median-priced home that month. If the score on the index was 110, that's good. That means the median income family would have 10% more income needed to qualify for that loan. If the index score was only 90, though, then that means that they're not earning enough income to cover the mortgage payment of a median-priced home. But with the score hovering right around 100, as it was through most of the end of the year, affordability, according to the index, isn't the problem. So what is the problem? Why does buyer demand seem to be lacking? My opinion, well, I wager that it's the things that the affordability index doesn't put into the equation. Taxes and insurance. Who do you know that has had their homeowner's insurance increase multiple times in the last few years? I'm guessing just about everyone raised their hand. With the large amount of storms we've experienced in the last 5 years in our area, such as multiple freezes and hailstorms, stacked on top of the national disasters we've experienced from wildfires and hurricanes, insurance companies have struggled, and some have left the marketplace. Believe it or not, all these disasters, even the ones out of state, can affect your monthly mortgage payment. Now, some local insurance companies only take into account Texas disasters when running the math for their insurance premiums, whereas some insurance companies look at the entire country. Unfortunately for the former, though, you can still be impacted by your carrier's reinsurance. This is the insurance policy that your insurance company takes out in the event of larger disasters and storms that threaten their financial models. Every insurance company purchases reinsurance, and their premium for that policy has and will be impacted in the coming years by all of the recent natural disasters that we've experienced around the country. And that's why your rates are going up. And let's not forget property taxes, especially here in Texas, where we don't have a state income tax, but we make up for it in property tax rates. Now, our property tax rates, by and large, haven't changed. And in some cases, people saw a decrease last year in property taxes owed because of the new homestead exemption law that was passed. However, with the increased property values since 2019, county appraised values are finally getting caught up with what true market values are. So you are now being taxed on a significantly larger value than you used to be. So what does this mean for the spring real estate market? I think that affordability will continue to be a challenge for the next couple years unless we see a decrease in interest rates or home prices. And if you're planning to buy this year, you need to understand your total monthly cost, not just your principal and interest payment, by taking into account rising insurance premiums and the larger tax bill that you'll be paying if you're upsizing. Thanks for tuning in again this month, and if you have any questions about the market or want to strategize your real estate plans for 2025, shoot me a call or email.